things from here. I think I have to use this opportunity to say something before I'll go to bed. So I just have to do this. It's late, but I have to do this now. And it has become necessary that I do this now. And I would like you to listen. If you truly care, at some point in life you must listen. It is very, very important. Ordinarily, I would have kept quiet. But let me still do this. Don't allow silly emotions to do the job that wisdom needs to do for you. Today, I came across series of, I've seen in different pages where people posted about Senator Okalo. Well done. So our people are posting a certain video of Senator Okalo where the man is dancing. Probably someone like me, I cannot tell if that video was recorded today or yesterday or 2 months ago or 2 years ago or even last year. You see, enough of these things our people are doing. Enough of this thing. I just have to talk now because I think it's important I say this. Hold on, let me sit somewhere. I like flowers so much, so that's why. So our people have to stop this. There are protocols that deserve some observation. Me, I know that if Senator Hope Uzodinma, Governor Hope Uzodinma steps in, now there will be a headway. Now, for him to come in, I don't need to bully him. I don't need to attack him. I know that if Ojus Okalo does something or decides to take a step, things will be changing, but the key person there is Hope Uzodinma. Believe it or you leave it. You can insult anybody, that has become your normal way. There is no problem. But I want you to stop the insult. Why posting Ojus Okalo? Why attacking him? Why saying that he's not happy? What these guys can do, your papa no go fit do am. So keep quiet. The more you continue insulting these people, the more you spoil things. Remember that before Dim Chukwemeko Dimego Ojukwu returned back here, it was the Igbos who went and met Shagari. No be your papa. It was the Igbo leaders. It was Igbo elites and not you. Not you at the comment section. Your comment will not do anything in Nigeria. If you like, you listen. This is a strategic something. Some wise people, they've made calls. Some good people, before you talk, they have made calls. They've called people. They've called some elites saying, and they will tell you, this is the step to take, to follow. This is how to follow. This is where all of them will meet, and this thing will be like this. It will be discussed like this. You want to mount pressure on these people. These people are not the judge. They didn't sit in the courts. There is a commander-in-chief. There is one man whose name is President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Whether you like it or not, for now, the man is there. Whether you hate him, Asina. Before our people should stop this thing they are doing, and they are circulating videos of Ojus Okalo. The Ojus Okalo is dancing, rejoicing that Nnamdi Kanu went to jail. Who does that? How do people reason? Do you know that since yesterday I have noticed on social media here some fools will come to my comment section and comment, and they will say that some of them say that I am happy now that Nnamdi Kanu was convicted. Do you see how stupid people talk? They attack everybody that they think they are doing good to Mazi. They attack, they insult anybody who might say something. And some of these things, if they leave it for you, you cannot do anything. People should stop these things they are doing. I will block you, Atunde. If you comment again, Thunder will fire you now. If I see your comment here again, I will block you from here. You think I'm here to joke with any idiot? Do you think I get money from this Facebook? Thunder Babu Okwage that place. Fools. They don't hack into. Let me. I don't even need to talk to them. Come and get away from this page here. Where's that fool? Facebook allow me. Oh yeah, get out. Come and get away from here, you. People should stop these things. It has been done this way. The next thing you need to do is strategy. Hence, wisdom is profitable and most powerful. Why not go for wisdom? Why not go for wisdom? You will be there attacking everybody. These people whose strength ends at the comment section. The day I appeared at Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's court, I wasn't at the comment section saying I will be there. Wow. Or when you get to Abuja, you start fighting. 3 times. These talkatives, their papa, their mama, their uncle, they themselves, their DNA could not allow fear. I mean, fear could not allow their DNA to reign and identify in Abuja there. They did not do that. But they are the comment section. Some of them will come and type to you at the comment section that you hate Nnamdi Kanu. Even if anybody poses as a hater of Nnamdi Kanu, do you need to attack that person in Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's behalf? Are you sick? All of you who went to school, all of you intellectuals, you want to your problem, na aputa ojizokalo ka egbuo, uta nka ka egbuo, uta this one ka egbuo. By the time you insult everybody, me inside my heart here, as I'm seated here, I'm also pained. But let me tell you, me, I know too well. Okay. Somebody sing with Igbo. Helen, thank you. Odoromanya, no bro ma Senator Hope Uzodimma bata into this matter. Agbaga ngiro chas. Enwere onye ozo mention na Ala Igbo for now. Mu ana agbaga that as today. Obo ma Hope Uzodimma tinye ahụ na this matter. Obro ma Senator Hope Uzodimma tinye ike tinye uche ya na this matter na ocho ka Mazi Nnamdi Kanu nata. My brother, before God and man, Hope game ihe ge wa mpaga ga emelifu. So ime ya insult na ye wepo aka now. What will you gain? And there is no way ejibo Igbo leaders meeting say ke discuss o ka ga esi we me ga meet your president ka maka ga esi we me ka Nnamdi Kanu we nota. Aga akpo your father. They will not mention you. Give one man there. All those Kanu will be there. This is not a joke. That you will be Kubana Ige main sort. So a private individual who hustled his money. Government did not allocate any money to Obi Kubana. But I saw the comment section. People were even insulting him. In a mere insult, what gay you again in Emia? As far as this matter is concerned, Obi Kubana, Nemi George Kanu one-on-one. All the Obi Kubana is to assess hope of them. For these people, even when you talk about they have Ghana their message, they have something, seek for their number, choose their phone number, or Hana phone, they will pick all those kind of number they are charged. More people direct call or a pick WhatsApp call. Boy, we are no be other money help us these people. You that is a blogger, these people have access to you. Boy, any of them that phone. If you're a known person on this social space, before you call 3 governors, 2 will know you. Before Igbo senator on Ala Igbo here, they sleep on this internet, they watch what you do, they read comments if you don't know.
Somebody will say that they are not on the internet. It is a lie. All of them are there. All of them, because as of today, internet rules the world. Even Mr. President said to you that he left the internet, that they insult hell out of him, which means he was reading before. You guys should stop this nonsense. Everybody, you want to use your own personal hatred, on somebody. Use it to go and put another person into trouble. At your comment, at your utterances on social media. Are you threatening Obi Kubana? Obi Kubana with a phone number. Hope was on. Oh, and I hope we are there. Now, Peter Chineme, I will block you now, but let me respond to you. You are one of the fugitives that I'm talking about here. Iwo, a sacrosanct fool, whose upbringing was so poor and low. Your low mentality, Gary in the morning, Gary in the night, Gary in the evening, has blocked your ways of reasoning. You cannot think like you can't communicate. You are a fool. You don't need to be in my page. You don't need to be here. I beg of you. You don't. Come on, get out. Oh yeah, get out from here, you. Come on, Zus out. Idiot. Today our class in there. You're even putting on apron. Come on, get out from here, you. Your father ain't one address. Your uncles ain't one address. If anything happens to you now, nobody will even come out for the aid of 1 million naira, ordinary 1 million. Nobody will bring it. Or you stay quiet. If you don't know how to talk, stay quiet. Shut up. The man named we are different. That could be an old video. You go and repost it. You want to antagonize Ojo Zakalo, who is better than you, former governor of Abia State for 8 years. He's the owner, manager, he's the director, he's the owner of a slot. If you don't know, a senator, if you meet this man one-on-one now, fool. By the time we destroy everything, by the time I may be shitara, everything, attack everybody, scatter everybody, then who will speak for us? Onyege kusiri born at that time. Give one when he pass etc. Or comment section. Is that either you make video? You can't, you don't even have courage to, okay, that time they said that Benjamin did this, Benjamin did that. Benjamin Kanu, former, current deputy speaker. You don't need to insult him. Everybody, everybody betray us. Nnamdi Kanu no Romuya. It is you guys that mobilize. Who gave you the audacity? Igbo now Igbo now that killing Kunuchi create Nnamdi Kanu no room, we are innocent. You create hatred, more hatred for nothing. The man no room, or yes, he got Jidonyami, Buonyami, Buonia. Very myopic idiots. Many of them have common sense. They can, if they talk here, you'll be like, nah man, where is this one coming from? Where does this person reason from? Oh yeah, Win Stanley Emeka. Oh yeah, get out from here, you idiot. That's how I treat fools like this. The number of fools. The number of fools in every family. They can see majority vote nonsense. That is how majorities operate. Who are those people troubling you in Nigeria? Few of you went to school now. Then there are idiots who cannot even speak, who cannot even, just ask them their name, even in their own language. They cannot even speak their own dialect fluently. They are the ones deciding for you on how to live. Do you know that? Do you know that those the educated in this, the elite in this country, Let me forget about the elite here. No, I just want to use English to describe this, and then I'll go back to my language. Let me say this. The average man here who is well educated and who has a job or a business doing somewhere is angry and bitter over the government. Hence, you are angry over the government. The next thing you resorted doing is out of anger. You say you don't have PVC. I don't care about PVC. You don't want to have PVC. And why you say you don't want to cast your vote, that vote doesn't count. Or you Miss Link, I'll block you from here now if you don't have sense. If you don't have sense. Your papa no go fit go talk the talk now for the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. It is these leaders that will do so. The last bullet we have now is these leaders. The last to hope I will now about these people. You guys ain't sense. Common sense will ain't sense. Your number, we go the phone number. Someone go the courage now. But go the one person, one of them na phone. But one of them na phone. But go the one of them na phone. Number these people ana achiacho. Ana achiacho. Ana achiacho. Ana achiacho. And one or any of them that you look for their number that you will not get. Stop the insult on them. This thing now, here for here now, number Governor Charles Soludo, for example. Now, when you feel bad, you find way, oh yeah, your number, call them, see, His Excellency, ni wonye do ti, wonye do ta. Ni they happy. Onya age bugi, this person enwe hoge megi, oga sigi keyo, all of them. I have tried many. And when any of them got Saga crudely, despite the ham and all phone that that thing can be on record, they will answer you calmly. But look for 2 or 3 of them on a phone. Hope and a number hope that chiacho. Call him. We are a day happy. Oh yeah, what I want to fake account on can block one, unblock again. You know one thing with me, if I block you, I'll block any other account. It is obtainable here. I'll block if I block you, I block including any other account you might create. Not your papa get me. Your father who made a mistake and get back to you did not raise you well. Then you cannot even drain anything from what I am saying. Therefore, I don't need to keep you closer. I buy you off. Come and get away from here, you. If you used to have sense. People should go and sit down. What you don't know, stop claiming, stop assuming that you can do it. What you don't know, you don't know it. You cannot bring you from heaven to earth and flog you on the ground. You cannot do that thing that you don't have capacity of doing. In what of the capacity, in what of the capacity. This thing requires somebody interfacing with Mr. President and not you being at the comment section now. Igbo. Stop this thing on this social media. Let me tell you one thing. You don't know. Oh yeah, see. Let me just show you one magic now. Let me show you one magic. Let me show you what you don't know. Man pass man. Oboro no. Oboro ino ina kocho. E kocho ga he weli hime wuru. Me sure no. Sit down quiet. Let me show you one magic now. Otinya shede. Otowade. Igbo mewuru this thing. This is my WhatsApp now. My journal you go. This is my WhatsApp now. Hold on, let me do something. Let me just on this light. Let me use this one. So Here is my WhatsApp. Here is my WhatsApp. Now, listen to me. Now, listen to me. You see, this is my WhatsApp. On this live section, Kanzigi Otibo Shide. This is what we can do. We have wisdom. No be church, no be noise. Now, for experiment, I am from Imo State. I will not use Imo State to do this thing. Now, please, those of you watching me, this is how the thing is. By tomorrow, if you chat me, I will provide these contacts. The whole senators representing the good people of Enugu at the red chambers, I don't have any of them phone number. But please, viewers, from now till tomorrow morning, I need the phone numbers of the 3 senators from Enugu and all the Federal House of Representative members from Enugu State. Please, if you have these numbers, help me with it. It should be in on a live video, Governor Zoko this thing. Akadina Harofu. Now, as I made this video in the morning, this is to 11. If I make this video in the morning, before God and man, I will be on this live video. Those numbers will be entering my phone. This is the way it is. Now, if you want to fight, you fight strategically. Do you know that we can get these phone numbers? You know why many of us cannot air such phone numbers? Why I get early such phone numbers here? Because if we do it, he gave already the number. Some of them, and they have trouble. Who will come for you? All of these things you are doing, they are all selfishness, clothed out of pride. Okay, one idiot said, sorry, one idiot said, just commented here, his name is Antonio Cafo. He said you can't even buy fuel. Anthony, this is my security house. This is security house. Anthony, this is my house, eh? This is inside my compound. Anthony, when we are talking important thing, it has nothing to do with pride. It has nothing to do with pride. My name is Governor Ezioku. No, I'm not on this internet for money purposes, alright? I'm a gas vendor, a plant installer, and I do some other good businesses, genuinely. Now, because of the things I do, they are genuine. I do not need to argue with you. You're still a boy. Go and think of your life. And these are some of those things I'm trying to treat here. After all this my sufferings in life now, if I gather things you want to fight, you want me to use it and fight for you. Even the little time I deposit to speak for Igbo, you don't also appreciate it, brother. You're very, very stupid. You are organically stupid. Because I'm not sure on a size. My topic tonight or this page is not your size. Hembega here, I borrow your size and not even the size of your uncles. Oh yeah, get out from here. Where is him? Where is that Anthony? And look at your face. Lay your condition. Lay your condition in life. Imagine a journey of life will take you to. Tomorrow when I see you now, oh no, no, cage, oh no, 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 food. Who give life now? You lie low, okay? When you forget about it, watch our pitch against a thunder babu that day. Or you get out from this page. Now, speaking to you further, brother. Brothers, let us stop the insults on these guys. Just stop. There are strategies, means. There are means of doing things. Stop those your emotional idiocy that can never do anything, that cannot even yield any result. But I'm telling you that on this internet, before God and man, if we want to gather all their phone numbers now, if we call it a weak job, we will achieve it. If we decide that this thing is what we are going to do on live video like this, there are numbers JPAC, that JPAC you see as ordinary person, there are phone numbers he will bring that will shock you. It will shock you. Wagaji, many of them, there are numbers they will bring that will shock you. We will add all of them. At least every week, I send the text message, His Excellency, God bless you, sir. Just keep breathing it into their ears. These pastors, do you know that some of these pastors you see here, they are calling these people on the phone, telling them, this thing, this thing, all of them are making moves, all of them are taking steps, all of them are saying something. All of them are saying something. Then you need to add your own. In civil manner, there are ways to follow these people. The last shot you have is these Igbo leaders. Without them, you can't be there. Among why only those who believe or say hope was the man or sabo what's his name? No just Okalo, no sabo what's his name? Soludo is a sabo. Ndubisi Mba is also a sabo to you. Oh yeah, your papa should go and become governor. Let's see, since it's an easy something, go and become governor. Then turn down those things you know you can turn them immediately. Your papa never run for councillor before, never win, not even Nze. Then people are there, keep quiet, shut up. When it gets to your turn, the process that will bring you to government, you cannot get it when you go and insult these people. And now, let me tell you one thing. One politician from my village told me, he was at the state house. He said to me that you cannot fight a system that is already corrupt. You alone, only you, cannot fight a corrupt system. You alone cannot fight it. You need the collective effort of everyone, whereby those people you need their efforts are not interested in whatever you are doing. It will not work. It will never work. People should stop this nonsense they are doing. Somebody will just say, do you know that Somebody said to me that I should ignore comment section. No, brother. Let me tell you one thing I do. Yes, I like ignoring it, but I don't like having idiots in my class. No. That's wrong. You pass some people away. I don't know why. Do you know why? In every organization or anything you're doing, the ability to suspend people, even in policing, even in church, they suspend people and give them back seats. That is the discipline of every institution. Take it or you leave it. Take it or you leave it. That's the way it is. Your mama, once your mama want cook beans, she dey first select them, say remove concrete, remove stones, some dirty things. She doesn't need to cook them together. Even the Bible, Jesus made reference. He said that he will separate the wheat from the chaff. This is right. You don't say because you're a public person, then you open your gate, open cankerworms, dogs, pigs, everything, you just barge in. Wow. No, so stay quiet here. Stay quiet here. You want to know my topic? I will suspend you since you don't want to be patient. I'll suspend you. You will join us some other time when you will be able to understand my topic. That's my discipline, man. Thank you. I have every need to deal with some persons. My topic is, hence the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is an Igbo thing right now to work for. The Igbos needs to work for it. The Igbos that will work for this thing is not you. It might not be you. That's not a letdown. But it might not be you. It does not necessarily amount that it must be you. It mustn't be. It's an elite something. It's something of the leadership. It is your governors, your senators, many of them just very, and somebody will initiate it. Somebody amongst them will initiate it. Okay, you've heard before, somebody came up online and said that President Bola Ahmed Tinubu is not the one holding Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, that the Southeast leaders should go and put their house in order before they will come back and talk about the list of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Okay, we've heard those kind of words. So the best way for we to achieve those things, is it by quarreling these same leaders that they've referred us back to? So it is the same people they referred us to. These are the people we are going to meet. Like Hope Uzodinma, you see like this, Senator Hope Uzodinma, the governor of Imo State. Watch amongst the governors. The man ade akono. Hope Uzodinma ade akono. Ndubisimba ade akono. You see these people. You see these two figures. You see these two figures. When they tell you, any day Hope open his mouth and say that I na roro maka release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Man dey nwe ihe Hope mega. I don't really like him because of the process that brought him into office. You understand? But that doesn't mean that Hope Uzodinma is a total bad person to me. I'm not supporting him because politically we are not meant to support our opponents. You don't do that. But if I should judge Hope, with the activities of Hope, former governor Rocha Sokrocha, Hope is doing better than him. The only thing is that the level of killings in Imo State will make you not to see what this man is doing. That's the gospel truth. But this man, the Assunta flyover, this man from Owerri prisons to Okigwe roundabout, Hope from Agbakuma to Olo. Hope ruru Mbise. That Mbise road, hope ruru straight to Mbise. As I speak to you, these are long roads. Man, I won't be horror on my local government, or even one trip of chipping. But nevertheless, let's say the truth. When I go just at the level of the level of unaliving people in Imo State became so much that people can no longer see his good work. And the man is struggling right now to know how he can balance these things. Shall we gather our voice together and begin to tell him, no, all right, let us get this our brother out of this place. Politics, when it's time to do politics, we know that this is politics. But when it's time to say the truth, then we'll face the truth and reality. Instead of you to know how we can manage these people, you that is threatening hope, now get not to get threatening hope, now hope will betray, now at the end of the day, you get hope, you get win. That is, let me just tell you one thing. Let me just tell you this thing. These are for the open hand, they become former governors. So if there were criminals in power, these are former criminals. Sorry to say this, they will outsmart you. And after governing you, check many of them, they don't stay back in that state. 99% of the governors that has ruled any state in Nigeria, they don't stay back in that state. I know how to deal with them. When I see your comments, that is the last minute you have on this page. So these guys, they have ways, they have one thing or the other they can do that you can't even do. Your papa no go fit do one. Oluchi, ask again. I've not seen your message. I've not seen your comments. He said if I can hear you. So don't use mouth what you know you cannot do. Oh, no, only on this internet. For somebody will be or type what I give a hungry man. Fool. If you keep quiet, he does not understand that for you keeping quiet on him calls him a fool, tells him the level of foolishness in him and upon his lineage. Instead of him to shut up and hide his head, he will be there making noise, blah 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 blah. Nonsense people. If you like, threaten Benjamin Kanu from now till next year. He is the current deputy speaker. By force, you want to force them. You want to force these leaders them. By force, they must talk about what you want them to talk about. Do you think they will listen to you? Do you think they will ever listen to you? They can never in this life listen to you. Every now and then, everybody will threaten them. You get threatened, you threaten Benjamin Kanu. Benjamin Kanu, PA, bro, your elder brother, you will not be in the condition you are right now. And it is easy on social media. It's only on this social media. I found out that it is easy. Anybody can open his mouth and say, Hope is an idiot. What's his name? Alex Oti. He's a fool. He's an idiot. Dr. Zakali is an idiot. All Joe Zokalu, chief of staff, if he becomes your in-law, you will not be under that condition you are. So shut up. If you want to talk about your frustration, mind where you channel it. Shut up sometimes. Beshitu no ono. Man keneri benni, nkena pass tire, ofu tire SUV in the you can't even messiono when you know you can't do anything. Forget your noise. You've made this noise for years. This is Africa. Africa is structured that these people are ahead of you. Oh yeah. Comment, let me deal with you. Kanona, Oba. Oba to yin Oba. You want hand kita ndo chaka one hand mother. Ele ko wanya na one of the five na Brina one room na in Europe. Only call on ketam. Only call size only be near me at that place. No na the 89 na be near me. Irie banku ntigaza. You look as if you are healthy or you are a human being. We go uchishi gege. Come on, remove that cap. Give what I sense, idiot. Come on, remove that thing. Who are you? Fool. I don't know who is bringing this impamas out here. Idiots. Must you be in this page? Must you follow me? Must you watch what I am doing? Must you comment? Are you not a doubt once you know I didn't invite you and you are here commenting rubbish? Your papa the useless, Maggie the useless. Again, Adeko useless again. Sorry for going that rant, but I have to say it. Because if they had given you adequate training, you will not be here. You should know that they will abandon. Come on, get out. Where is the other idiot? Charity, get out from here. Fools. Oluchi, I've commented my number. I've replied you, sir. Oh man, don't know which one. I check under your comments. Check under your comments. You see where I laid my number there for you. So people should stop this their threats. I just clicked like to it so that you will know that I commented my number there. In case you want to call in now, you have an advice for our people, you want them to stop these things they are doing, and you just want to air your own opinion here. Civilly, calmly, I'll drop a number. You can call me via that number. But if you come here now to talk rubbish, I'll block you. I'll block you immediately. Drop the call and block you. Somebody will be there. Oh, Meponia, or just a calo be fool, or just a calo sabo, or just a calo. Your papa, mama, no the audios or mates. Mission academically, no value. While these people were becoming leaders, where are you? Where your papa? Should be your papa a brave man. Where is your father then? Or anywhere, anything that will bring about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's freedom, for example, you people will go there speedily. Me want you attack. Are you telling me that Obruma Hope that you and I know decides today? No need to help us Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. He will not be at the comment section doing it. Let us. You people have tried attacks on people or work. You have tried insulting people. It didn't work. You have tried a resolve, a support on non-government. It didn't work for you. Now it is time to use humility. Do you know why? Okay, look at a civil protest. Now somebody is doing under this comment. Igwe Obiaru na my comment section on the free Mazi Nnamdi Kanu now. This is excellent. This is excellent. Hence, these leaders are doing anything. You can get there. You can go there. You can. Even in the moral, about the noise, about church, nobody go do you anything. But you no get that mind. You no get that mind. Anywhere you see these governors come for, so me, I have the mind. I can do this thing. I'm telling you, I can do it. About church, about noise. I can go I can go to any event, anywhere hope or them might event. Mwapotaba na free Mazi Nnamdi Kanu neti adia mu amewuria na camera imewuli nwuya. Mmechakwa is either I go back to my house or I end there up na police. I will still go home because it is public opinion. I have my right to do so. You will be under the cupboard, eaten to under your bed, there. Also, a fool, betray a sabo, you may video post to. The thing is not adding up, it's not changing anything. Then I also have the privilege, immortally number these people, all of them, before God and man. I can get all their numbers. Then let us have few you to the sensible. We start calling them on phone, start writing them messages and all that. If you write to 10 persons, one must invite you. One of them must say, this group, let's have them, let's hear what they want to say. You go, you mobilize yourselves and go. But to make clear with our Igbo brothers now, if you do it now, some people wrote their heart away go, hey, is that Saga Saga Dragon? I have to go to the Hakai Kozebia, or Kowa Keonye when you're Bishinike. And I know Igbo, you got to be careful. If you're fighting, I look on Igbo, they quite care in our Igbo with Aquamuge, Jidogodofu. Jidofu Aquamuge as your own private property. Each of the Habo, Haga, the day they will betray Hagas or we are pian. Cross, huh? Why must you threaten people? If billionaire, even a comment section, anybody threatening you, even these idiots, they go as far as entering somebody's private WhatsApp. Do you know that is an offense? Ask your lawyer. The person did not give you his number. Fear, give with a number, Ghana WhatsApp or threatening. These people now got as far as they will tell you, they will go to WhatsApp and tell you that that today is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's court. Why didn't you post about it? Insulting and bullying people that should have done that. Just remind them civilly. Some people don't know. When you hear them talking, or they can mad the Goku, challenge. There is a man in a sense here. Okay? Prophet C. Christian. These people can do this. This man can do this. This man now, this man, as also what means Professor Charles Soludo, this man can engage any group with Soludo. I know many people in Anambra State that can help and do that. Anyway, do you think all of them, their commissioners are happy? Or their SAs are happy? You can reach out to anybody that will convey a meeting between you, fix a meeting between you and the governor. You go as Igbo youth and group. But when they organize a youth week, it goes to this kind of people. What do they ask for? Bundles of money. And if they bring you to come and visit these people, let's talk about this today, the Biko. How do you feel? I challenge all of you now on social media and I rant and I call rubbish. Let's have audience with the governor of Imo State. Me, I can initiate that. I can work towards that. I command you, my brother. Can you check hope or them maga? Okay, the moment I have hope, let us kneel down and see His Excellency on Wabiko. Because ya could be a Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. That guy a human being. By the time we do it this week, next week here just somewhere, and then we talk to our women. The mothers say 3 go on here, go your way as here. Anemi Anabia, Anemi Animo, Anemi Anenugu, Anemia everywhere, Anemia Ebonyi State, women, mothers, they will begin to do. These are ideas and strategies, and not at the comment section. Then while doing it, you can write if it's transport for you to give to those mothers or thereabout. Those big billionaires, businessmen in a main sort today, they are the ones who got free name has go 1 million now. Men organize or next week or if you get to that place, you mobilize our women peacefully. That same governor Gawa to both Federal House of Representative members. Will you mobilize peacefully and not threatening them? If you threaten them, they will flee. Many of them don't go to their villages. If you don't, I'm telling you, I'm speaking the mind of the politicians into your ear. If you like, you hear. If you like, remain mumu. Many of them are no longer free with you guys. So by the time your Federal House of Representative member receives delegates from his village, his kinsmen, mothers are coming to receive him at the airport, and they are saying to him, "Naya trouble the list of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu." You think they will not listen to? They must be touched. They have friends in the north. In case if they begin to discuss this thing at the National Assembly, they are friends from the north. It is this your Federal House of Representative member that will convince a Federal House of Representative member from Adamawa to support what he is about saying, and not you. Your brain, your mouth no reach there. Only Shigono Kai no go reach there. Even on the internet, about na rubbish, and na fusi, if how to have nego monetization, and na rubbish, yeah. The other idiot no when keha, ne waro page in kiti waro, when issue in way, sense in way, brain no way. And when you hear that rajagara, no good idea at all. Tell me, Moabroge. I can stage my senator. I know they tell you about another person. I said, my senator, my federal House of Representative member, I know where they are. Airport, I am from Ngobala. If we are mobilized, they like 20. Within Ngobala, we can mobilize 300 persons. So, whole story. Airport. If Abia State Governor, all the federal House of Representative members from Abia State and their senators, they are coming to the states every month. They often fly through Imo. If you don't know, politicians from Uli, Anambra States, Okija, all of them uses Imo.
Hold on, let me block this idiot again. These fools like to distract me.
So they fly through Imo. Brothers, what will happen? What will be the effect if we wait at the airport while Honorable Benjamin Kanu, the Federal Deputy Speaker, is coming back? From here, we will know. Hence, this man bus flight from Abuja, we will know. Even his PAs, they are not happy. We can reach out to these guys. They will tell us, Oga, they enter planes, so they Oga, they come Imo, Oga, they come Abia. Once the man they reach, they go see all of us for airport. Obo in trouble, Obo protest. Benjamin Kanu will be embarrassed if he gets to the airport and meets 200 men kneeling down, says Excellency Biko, Honorable, our brother. Our problem is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. He cannot walk away. If he walks away, he walks into critics. This is the power of internet. You have the power, but you are a fool. That's why your brain is not working. You insult everybody. Some of those idiots are trying to drag me back to their days of Saga, even when I'm making sense that your father cannot make. The best is for me to ignore them. If you send me, if you stay on this internet and you're my fan, and you send me any link or any video that a lady or somebody is making videos and insulting me, the moment you send the video to me, I will block you. So send it to me. I will insult hell out of you and block you. Yes, because I'm a hammer and I carry. If I finish dealing with you, I walk away, and if you're talking anything about me, I'll just keep quiet and be looking at you. I've known it. What I'm telling you is what you can do. It is the power of what you can do. Once they do it to Benjamin Kanu will start telling speaker, do you know I was embarrassed? The video will be everywhere on the internet. All of them will be careful immediately. The last idiot who commented, Chooks James. Look at how I will block you first for now, because I always say that I don't accommodate fools, you know. You say that you are talking trash. Your chicken brain of begging your precious is child's play. Then don't send you. That is part of the problem. That's part of the problem. People don't reason like human beings in this area. Your papa, James, can your father do anything in this matter now? I mean your immediate father. Can your father do anything? Everybody you have in your entire world, can they do anything at this point? You lack idea, you lack people, you lack capacity, you lack knowledge. You are a dead man. Get out from this page. I don't deal with dead people. I don't talk to dead people. See, somebody said again, this is an idea. Let us talk about this. Let me drop my number here. Let's talk about this. You can call in here via WhatsApp or direct call 090 6423 5745 09064235745. Okay, you can call in via this line. Okay, for those, some people are watching me, they may not be able, they don't have the ability to type at the comment section, so you can call in with this number, then we'll put you on loudspeaker. Let's hear your own opinion. You said if you can grant interview on camera on such Oga. See, there are situations that forces politicians to talk. There are situations that forces politics. If you're a good journalist, there's a way to interview these people, or you force them happily or simple and calmly. They will talk. They must talk. Oga, you no get as it be. And while there are ways to get these people into listening to you. No be by insulting them, you no go work. I tell you that your insult the next 100 years. These politicians where people they curse every blessed day, they curse never make them change. Now your small insult then go touch them. Yes, you are right. Justice, you are right. You are right. Many of those illiterates created the problem their brother is facing. Because had it been, for example, that gentle Agarega Babushiwe people, Babushiwe, our people that time, do you know that bloody act alone from gentle, whatever gentle was doing at that point, it was not Mazi Nnamdi Kanu that sent him. It was not Nnamdi Kanu that sent him, because how do you judge? This man once turned in the court and said that anybody buying anybody in the southeast, that person is a devil incarnate and is not sent by him. He said it, especially on video. Did any of you quote that in Obeko rubbish? Hello. Good evening, Governor Zogu is my name. I am on live video. Are you aware? Do I have your permission to put it on loudspeaker? Go ahead.
Okay, first of all, I want to appreciate you for your lecture this night, because one thing with our people is this: they don't want to learn. That is one big challenge that a lot of our people, because when you started the program, they don't want to even know where you are heading to. Some are already saying, what is your topic, what is your topic? You know, we are too forward to conclude some certain issue, and that is why we are having a lot of problems in our society today. So my main point of calling, you mentioned about stress. I wanted to say something concerning that stress on one of the comment section when I was going through, where somebody posted something that related to what is going on.
So you said somebody posted
somebody posted something, and on that under that comment section was full of threats. So I was wondering, how can this threat solve the issue on ground? Threatening all these people, just like what you mentioned about the governors, the senators, the House of Reps, those that are our leaders that are representing us in various capacity in government. When you begin to threat all these people that are supposed to help you when the time comes, how are they going to welcome you when you now need their help?
Yes.
Because that is your point that I'm I don't know whether so now, why can't we use diplomatic way? Now you mentioned about you people have used force, you have bite people, you have done a lot of things that but now We don't need all these things now. We don't need it. What we need now is how are we going to come together, reason together, and know that